Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and it's just good to be here. So today I'm gonna show you my summer skincare routine and I'm gonna show you the morning and the nighttime routine. So yeah, let's start with the morning skincare routine. So I don't use conventional cleansers in the morning. What I do, the first step, I take gel, water-based gel. I apply this all over my skin. Then what I do, I massage this pretty well. After that, I take one cotton ball to wipe my face, and that's all. And I can see the dirt is coming out, and this is pretty much my morning cleansing routine these days. Here I'm using a toothhouse gel. So after doing that, I directly go to this treatment, which is Niamax D gel. It has niacinamide, panthenol, glycerin, and I love this. This is a very good product. My sister Ayushi, she told me about this product and I am hooked. It hydrates my skin, protects my skin's barrier. Niacinamide is good for removing pigmentation. It's good. And that's all I pretty much do for the morning as a treatment. Then I move on to this moisturizing part, and for summers I prefer gel based cream because these are lightweight, and after that I have to use sunscreen, so I don't want to apply anything heavy. I'm using this cream from Clay's, which is very good, suiting my skin very well. And yeah, after that I go to sunscreen, and you need a decent amount of sunscreen. I'm telling you, I've seen people just put like dot on their skin and they think they're getting enough protection. No, you need, like, I think half a teaspoon of sunscreen to cover your entire face and neck. So apply sunscreen diligently and apply this all over your face, even neck. Reapply when needed, and this is very important. And yeah, this is the last step of my skincare. People tell me they get white cast with sunscreens. I will tell you to use gel based products before using your sunscreen. It helps me a lot in reducing this white cast. So I'm done for now. I'm gonna go out now. I'm getting late and I don't do makeup much. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip tint and that's it. I'm gonna carry sunscreen and micellar water with me. So yeah, I'm getting late. See you in the evening. Hi, I'm back. I'm tired, but I'm gonna do my skincare routine diligently. I'm gonna start with this micellar water that I'm gonna use as first cleanser. This is Bioessence micellar water. I love this. I have been loving this. Previously, I used to love Bioderma micellar, but that's kind of expensive, and I find this Bioessence to be way more affordable and equally good, to be very honest. So yeah, I prefer micellar water over all cleansers any day because my skin loves micellar water more. I think these are more convenient during summer. It removes all the sunscreen. Even when I make up, like I use makeup, it removes makeup pretty well. So yeah, when you are done, you see the minimal amount of residue on the cotton. That time you know that you are done. Then I rinse my skin with water. I'm done for the second step, that is one foam base cleanser. I'm going in with this Sugandha Centella cleanser. It is good. One of my favorites. I have other favorite cleansers too, and I make sure in the evening I'm cleansing my skin well because I have been out and I need to prepare my skin for the actives. And the first step is to cleanse it properly without over drying it. I massage the cleanser for 60 seconds before washing it off. Then I move on to my next step, that is the third step, I think. So yeah, this is the matcha green tea mask. I use this twice or thrice in a week, and this is very easy to do. This just mix matcha green tea powder with aloe or gel or fermented rice water. Then I keep this on for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna take shower, I'm gonna rinse it in the shower. I'm gonna see you after taking bath. Okay, I took bath. It took some time and I'm here right now, and even Tata is here, so I'm gonna do chemical exfoliation today. So I go and do chemical exfoliants after washing my skin, and today I'm using BHA, that is salicylic acid, and I use BHA once in a week, and twice in a week I use AHA. So this is very easy to use. You cleanse your skin, then you go on with chemical exfoliants, be it AHA or BHA. Then I wait for like 3 to 4 minutes. Previously I used to like wait for like 30 minutes. Now I realize that's too much, so now I wait for like 2 to 3 minutes before moving on to my next skincare routine. So yeah, this is what I do once in a week with BHA and twice in a week with AHA. Then I'm gonna use this essence. Essences are very good for hydrating and soothing. I'm using this fermented essence. It has even this niacinamide, and yeah, this is something. And my nighttime skincare routine is kind of long, I can tell you this. And then I go on with serum, this Clay's serum. This is very lightweight. I just feel good using this. My skin feels good, and I see that people are gonna comment, okay, Shamapti, you're doing too much, you're using too many products. These things actually work for me, that's why I'm doing it. And you don't have to do it. You don't have to use too many products. You don't want to do whatever that works for your skin. Use one product if it works for your skin. Use like 20 products if it works for your skin. Skincare is very subjective, so you don't have to necessarily follow what I'm doing. Just listen to what your skin says. That's all. So the last thing would be this mask, a night sleeping mask. This is very good moisturizer. Actually, this is from Purito. I found this recently. I love this. It is like enough moisturizing without being sticky, extremely rich, and my skin loves this. Thus I use this. And yeah, you can use any basic moisturizers as well. Even I like simple moisturizer and other like very simple like basic things. Now I'm using lip tint, lip balm, not lip tint. What's wrong with me? I think I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm stammering, more stammering actually than usual. So yeah, this is my skin. It's kind of clear. I'm loving this. So you can say that this skincare routine is working for me, and this is Tata trying to lick my skincare products. uh, so yeah, I think that's all for now. I'm tired. I'm gonna sleep right now because I'm so tired. I'm gonna have my dinner though. So yeah, see you very soon, and then thank you. Oh, I need to sleep. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye bye, take care.